Okay, good morning, class.
Good morning!
Today we are going to talk about animals. So, let's rehash our vocabulary. Ready? We are going to do it with our song, okay?
Spider, snake, crocodile, animals.
During this week, we talk about animals, and we said that animals classify in three sections. Some are carnivores, some are omnivores, and others are herbivores. So the question is, what is a carnivore? Brian, can you help me? What is a carnivore?
A carnivore is an animal that kills other animals.
Okay, a carnivore is an animal that eats other animals. Great. Anthony, what is an herbivore?
An herbivore is an animal that eats only plants.
Only plants, very good. And the last one, what is an omnivore? Kevin, can you help me?
An omnivore is an animal that eats both animals and plants.
Thank you. Now we are going to play a little game to see if you understand the concepts of omnivore, carnivore, and herbivore. So I'm gonna read you a question and you are going to answer, okay? The question is, or the story is, listen, please. At dinner, Claudia eats fried steak with peas and mashed potato. Claudia is? Okay, good job, Claudia is an omnivore. Leonard the lion only eats fish. The question is, what is he? He is a carnivore because he only eats meat. What is a vertebrate, or what are the vertebrates? Please?
Yes.
All vertebrates have internal skeleton like a monkey or a lion.
Okay. And what about invertebrates?
My animal is a dog.
Hi, my name is Luis Angel Salas Vadillo and my animal is a turtle.
My animal is fish. My name is Leslie. My animal is a butterfly. Butterfly is herbivore.
Herbivore, please. Okay. How about you?
My name is Janet.
Uh-huh.
My animal is snake. Is carnivore.
Carnivore, okay. It's a huge snake. Over here?
My name is Jesus Ricardo. My animal is elephant. Elephant is herbivore.
Okay, put it please.
My name is Patricia. My animal is ladybug. Is herbivore.
Herbivore, a ladybug. Okay, put it please.